Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So these are from Lily, the shop. The brand is Lily. Let's take a look. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Gosh, today is so hot. California is so hot. Oh, this is double layer. Anyway, this is a long sleeve. Maybe I can try it now. And very soft. And this one goes well with these. Oh, zip bag. And a huge zip bag. I love it. So this one is a skirt. Oh. Let's try this one. The blue color kind of work together, right? It's cotton or polyester. Maybe cotton and polyester. Ocean blue. Didn't write. Let me try. And this one is Lily. This one is a small jacket. So I will try it on. Okay, we take a look at this one. You can lift it up, put it down, and even if to the extremity is not showing up too much, I like it. It's in the smaller size. This is a small, and I personally like something more relaxed. So maybe a medium size is good for me. This is a small, and I feel a little bit like extra small. And here is, I am matching it with these flower pants. A little bit too much, don't you think so? Just, yeah, but it feels relaxed and very easy to move. It's soft, comfortable. I can move everything, anything. Very comfortable. Okay, let me try another pair of pants that is more matching with this color. So this is much same color tone. Looks a little bit old, more serious, less fun, but looks more serious, more pretentious, more professional. Professional. Do professionals have chance to enjoy pretty things? That's a question. But it's very, very comfortable. Equally comfortable. Very comfortable. Tuck it inside. make it a little bit asymmetric. Completely tuck inside. Titi. Titi. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Goo, goo, bye, bye. Let's take a look at the dress. And I feel this is just... this top, you can wear it like this. And this is the not dress. This is the skirt. Very comfortable, very easy. That's it. Okay, let's try this one, this top. And I think I need some pink color to bring everything together. Let's take a look here. This is a very soft pink. And put it here first. You can put it outside or tuck inside. This is tucking inside. It's a little bit tight. I like something very, very relaxed. Here, we will have this one. And get out. It's quite a style I have never tried. Roll it up, roll it up. I find rolling it up is a little bit better. Very easy to move. Let me see if I button it up. Is that still easy to move? Yes, still very easy to move. So if you wear it as a corporate clothes, you can go to the file, pick up something. If you work in gardening, you can lift your arm, and it's very comfortable. So that's it. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Goo goo bye bye.